Yes, start. A secure nation alone provides the atmosphere which ensures personal liberty and privacy of an individual, the Joint Parliament Committee on the Personal Data Protection within bracket PDP Bill 2019 has argued in its report defending the controversial exemption clause that allows the government to keep any of its agencies outside the purview of the law full stop. The committee has retained the clause with a minor change full stop. Next stanza. The report on the PDP bill was adopted on Monday at the committee meeting in Delhi full stop. The committee has been deliberating on the report since 2019 full stop. Clause 35 in the name of public order, sovereignty, friendly relations with foreign states and security of the state allowed any agency under the union government exemption from all or any provisions of the law full stop. 6 of the 30 members of the committee have filed dissent notes against the exemption clause full stop. Sources said 2 more members would be filing a dissent note in the next few days full stop. Next stanza. This was one of the widely debated clauses in the panel meetings, where the members had argued that public order should be removed as a ground of exemption full stop. They had also pressed for judicial or parliamentary oversight for granting such exemptions full stop. The members had also suggested that there should be an order in writing with reasons for exempting a certain agency from the ambit of the bill full stop. Some of them had asked that only partial exemption should be given to the agency if needed full stop. Next stanza. The final report that the Hindu has assessed did not accept any of these suggestions, arguing that there was a need to balance the concerns regarding national security, liberty, and privacy of an individual full stop, conceding that there could be no easy choice between these concerns, the report said, a secure nation alone provides the atmosphere which ensures personal liberty and privacy of an individual, whereas multiple examples exist where without individual liberty or privacy, national security itself gives rise to autocratic regimes full stop. The report noted that this clause was for certain legitimate purposes and also said there was precedent in the form of the reasonable restrictions imposed upon the liberty of an individual, as guaranteed under Article 19 of the Constitution and the Puttaswamy judgment full stop. At the same time, the committee expressed concerns with possible misuse full stop. The committee, therefore, said thou the state had rightly been empowered to exempt itself from the application of this act, this power may, however, be used only under exceptional circumstances and subject to conditions as laid out in the act, the report said full stop. Next stanza. In one of the longest distance notes, Congress leader Manish Tiwari rejected the bill in its present form in entirety for its design full stop. He raised specific objections to 37 clauses full stop. This included an objection to the government exemption clause of 35 full stop. He said the bill created two parallel universes, one of the private sector where it would apply with full rigors and one for the government where it was riddled with exemption, carve outs and escape clauses full stop. A bill that seeks therefore to provide blanket exemption either in perpetuity or even for a limited period to the state and its instrumentalities, in my estimation, in ultra wires of the fundamental right to privacy as laid down by the 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India in Puttaswamy within bracket 2017 judgment, he said full stop. Next stanza, in a joint distant note, Trinamool Congress said the bill did not provide adequate safeguards to protect the right to privacy and gave an overboard exemption to the government full stop. Clause 35 was open to misuse since it gave unqualified powers to the government full stop. Among its key recommendations, the committee pitched for stricter regulations for social media platforms full stop. It recommended that all social media platforms, which did not act as mediaries, should be treated as publishers and be held accountable for the content they host, and should be held responsible for the content from unverified accounts on their platforms full stop. Next stanza, it said no social media platform should be allowed to operate unless the parent company handling the technology sets up an office in India and that a statutory media regulatory authority on the lines of the Press Council of India may be set up for the regulation of the contents on all such platforms, irrespective of the platform where their content is published full stop and over.